Hello my dear respected friends. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a install SSD hard disk Dell Optiplex PC. This one is Optiplex 5050. We can install any computer, but especially this computer Dell Optiplex is a little bit different. Okay, this one is our hard disk and SSD SATA cable. This one is data transfer cable. Okay, keep this one. We want it to be make a open box inside, cabinet box inside. This one clip little bit goes down, then colors pull it, automatically is open. After open, if you need it to be open properly, they're having a front panel as a clip is there, 3 clip. Whenever pull the you 3 look like a clip, you can press a little bit stronger, okay, harder is a little bit SketchUp. Okay, open it. After open, you can check hard drive, CD drive, motherboard and SMPS. Okay, we want it to be, we can clip properly, otherwise we can, because this one is a lightweight. Normally this one is not showing a box, but we can make a screw. There are empty boxes there. Press it and connect anywhere you can connect it. There we having a 3 SSD port, not for SSD, SATA port. We can connect anywhere, no problem. But bootable media we have to select is the SSD drive. Okay, after connect, because we did not remove our old HDD hard disk, we wanted to make a migrate our operating system C drive to HDD, C drive to directly SSD. That means our operating system only transfer as it is before, same like as it is cloning. That means alternate as the same as it is before. We wanted to be migrate, copy all operating system file, everything is SSD hard disk. That means next time whenever you try to open your PC, is PC starting C drive, PC starting from SSD, not for HDD. Okay, in this video only showing how to connect SSD hard disk as a Dell PC, Dell Optiplex PC. All PC are same like that, but especially showing this one is the clip little bit tricky. Sometimes some people, if they don't know, they will broke. This is a clip, front panel one. Okay, after clicking, replacing everything. Okay, connect the side clipper or side cover. Okay, after connect, you can check this is how they connect. Okay, it's not connected. Okay, clip it, you can check. Click sound is coming. Okay, now it's properly connected. Okay, we'll connect our all cable, power cable, BGA cable and USB and keyboard, mouse, all cable connect. Then after check our operating system. Okay, it's everything is running and not running. This is a 2 way we can make a cloning our operating system. First, we can install directly software. Otherwise we can install as a Heron boot, one application also there, Heron boot. That application, that software also we can make a cloning operating system. At this time we want to just for explaining how to connect SSD, and next video we will show how to cloning operating system HDD to SSD. Okay, now we can check, connect all USB cable. Okay, after connect all cable, press the power button. After press, PC is going to be started. This time also still is not migrate SSD. We started all same HDD. Okay, after HDD we install software, then after make a cloning. Okay, this one started from old HDD hard disk. Okay, after installation, after open is complete, then after install operating software, then after we make a cloning. Okay, thank you very much.